Okay, welcome back to another episode of Android application development tutorial with Android Studio. So in the previous episode we already learned about how to place an options menu into the action bar for Android version 3.0 and above. So in this episode we are going to learn about how to handle the click events of the options menu. The user may select an item from the options menu and how to perform some actions based on the user selections. Okay, so this is the same example used for the previous episode. So here we have an XML file on the menu folder called my menu, and in this XML file we have two items. First one is search and another one is share. Okay, so here I am going to change the ID of the first item into ID red color. Okay, so here my target is here I am going to change the layout color based on the user selection. So I'm going to display some color names on the options menu, and if user select one color, I have to change the background color of the layout based on the user selection. That is the purpose. So the first one is first change the ID of the first item into ID red color. Also we have to change the title red. Okay, we have to add some strings.xml files. We have to add some resources. Change this one into title red. Add another one. This is change into title blue. Also add one more. This is title red purple. Okay, and add one more item. This is title not share. This is red, blue, purple and orange. Yeah, green. Okay, now go to the my menu. So here we have the first item called red. I'm not going to display it, so remove this show as action. Also I don't want any icons. Okay, now here only one item is available. Now I'm going to add another item. I copy the item attribute, paste it here. So change this one into red, blue, blue color, title blue. Change the title. Now add another item. Change this one into green color. Now change the title into title green. Add another item. Change this one into ID purple color. Also change this one into title purple. Okay, now we have four items: red color, blue color, green color and purple color. Okay, we have to change the values here. So here I change this one into red, this one into blue, this one into purple. Also change this one title for this one into green. Okay, so this options menu displays four color: green, red, yellow and purple. Sorry, orange and purple, green, purple, blue and red. Okay, four color displayed. And if user select an item from the options menu, we have to change the layout, the activity main.xml file background color into the user selection. Okay, so go to the main activity main.xml file. Go to the XML version. Here a relative layout is available. So now I am going to add an ID for this relative layout. So I need to change the background color of this relative layout. So I have to access this relative layout. So I put an ID for this relative layout. I name it as a relative layout. Okay. So we can check it out. So now I just simply run the application. Okay, so if you select the overflow icon, we can see the four color: red, blue, green and purple. So if you select a color from these options menu, we have to change the background color of the activity main.xml file. Okay, that is our target. So now go to the main activity.java file. So here we have the only method on create options menu. From this method we inflate that particular menu XML file using the inflate method. Okay. So here in this case we have to handle the click events of the options menu. So for handle the click events of the options menu, you have to override another method called on options item selected. Okay, so the Android system will call this method on options item selected, this method, whenever user select an item from the options menu. So here we have an object of menu item. So from this object we can find out which item is actually selected by the user. So here, so before going to make some changes, here I need some object called relative layout. I want to change the color of the layout. Create an object. So relative layout equal to find viewPy_id r dot id dot relative layout. Okay, now typecast this one into relative layout. Yeah, so first thing, we have to find out which item is actually selected by the user. So we can find out the user selection from this object called menu item. So for analyzing the item, here I use a switch case statement. So you have to call the method called get item id, item dot get item id. So this method will return the id of the particular item. So now we have to check, we have to perform the actions in each cases based on the user selection. So here the first case is r.id dot, if it is equal to blue color, we have to change the relative layout background color into blue. So relative layout dot set background color, call the get resources method and call the get color method, and here you have to specify some color. So Android r dot color, and we have to specify a blue color. Here is blue dark. Yeah, I select that one, blue dark. Okay, don't forget to put the break statement. Okay, so here we handle it. So we have to return true. Okay, there is no need. Yeah, this is because here already a return statement is available. So we have to change, we have to return true here. If user handle this, we have to return true. Okay, so now we have the first case, the blue color. So now we have to find out, we have to make code for the other color. If it is equal to red color, we have to change the background color of the relative layout into something dark, something red color. hollow underscore red color. Yeah, use dark color. Okay, here also return true. Now we have to make code for the other color. It is green color. If it is equal to green color, we have to change the relative layout background into hollow green, and one more color, purple. If it is equal to purple color, we have to change this one into purple color, hollow purple. Okay, now we finish the coding. Now we can check it out. Now I am going to run the application again. Okay, there is some mistakes on the code. Yeah, this is unreachable statement, missing return statement. We have to keep this return statement, so return true. Okay, so we have to, there is no need of these return statements, so I remove all the return statements. Okay, now all the errors are gone. Now we can check it out again, so run the application again. Okay, now we have the application available on the virtual device, so I'll select the overflow icon. Now here we have the colors, red, blue, green and purple. So now I am going to make a selection blue. Now you can see, now the background color of the relative layout is changed into blue color. Now select the options menu again, and now made another selection. Okay, this is how we handle the click events of the menu items. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.